Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Red Gauva Juice. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy Red Gauva Juice in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have 4 red guavas. Choose nice and fresh ones for best taste and results. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Cut off both the ends. Cut it into small cubes and keep it ready. Now transfer the red guava cubes to a mixer jar. To this add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. Then to this add a tablespoon of water. Grind this to a fine paste. Now strain and add the red guava paste to a small bowl like this. We are trying to eliminate the seeds. Now we are ready with a smooth and thick red guava paste. I have a juicer jar like this. Transfer the red guava paste to it. To this add 2 cups of water and mix well. Now a delicious red guava juice is ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. So do try this red guava juice recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.